ka jingpyndon kam bakla jong kinong la YouTube menta ki por kala jurur shaba palan hadu ba kala taru ya kalong renyeng jong ki wede ki bru bar ya ka jing kasem jong ki ka daw bro ka de tang ka jing kwa ban ben kwa kho ya ki we ni ban pen kesan ni ka ba ngi kwa ban pen kesan deh lor ka ne kanong rim ka ba kila penun kam bakla no leng ba ki YouTube channel rekim tip ke ka ban ja ladangi penun kam bakla leng ba ki YouTube lane ki social media kene ke jing penun kam bakla jong ki bru jong i menta leng ba ki social media kala poi chudu uput baka jing debat ho an jong ka jela kala hab ne kren ye kini ki mat ya ke jing penun kam bakla ha kini ki social media an shu thu epi kumba sau pratli ki YouTube channel menta hila sha ai ejhar ha ka sarkar hato kene ke jing penun kam bakla jongi shanu kan poi kan ora jing hunne kan ora ka jing jenjar kala yangi kam tam ha kini ki por kila mi shibun ki YouTube channel ki bala ya lamba kla ki pajba dak ka bakan tho dak ka bakan no ya ki wai de ki bangi kwa ban kan tho ne kan no ki khubor lamler ki ba man ka si ki lami man pen klumar ki pajba hado padon uput wat ubala nang lastat ula kum ngej no ha ki ni ki khubor lamler ki bala ya lamba kla yangi kumta ko ka jaj ben riu ka badang don ka jingeti blem to kendit ben riu no na ki ni ki e boro ki bal sedang ben ya lamba kla ya ka jing im jongi leng ba ki ni ki social media kam tam ha kane ka juk ka ba menta
drawbacks which need to be addressed. Sir, often social media opens the door for the quick spread of false or misleading content, and the lack of fact-checking or the ease with which personal information can be misused by third parties has been a matter of great concern for the police department. In order to tackle circulation of fake news or cybercrime in state, a cybercrime wing has been set up within the Criminal Investigation Department of the Meghalaya Police. The units of the cybercrime wing include the cybercrime police station, the cyber forensic training facility, and the cyber assistance cell and monitoring cell. The role of the cybercrime police station is to investigate cyber or interrelated crimes, prevent cyber crimes, and impart awareness regarding the drawbacks in the cyber world. So from the year 2019 till 31st January 2024, a total of 42 cases have been registered in the cybercrime police station, which are related to cybercrimes. In addition to the cases registered, the cybercrime has conducted 20 training programs and has also been able to impart 55 awareness programs in various schools, colleges, and institutes. So I would like to also urge content creators who are using various social media platforms to kindly verify or fact-check before creating, uploading any content. Relying on credible sources and cross-checking information from multiple sources can help ensure that the content is reliable. I would like to request the avid users of social media to promote a culture of responsible content creation and sharing, as this will not only mitigate the impact of fake news, but most importantly prevent the circulation of misleading information. Sir, I have also noted the suggestions given by the Honourable Member of implementing certain rules and codes and bringing in a framework that would ensure that we are able to monitor the content that is put on